for Hoima, for Ugandan sport, and for national development. On behalf of the entire Summa family, I extend our deepest gratitude to Your Excellency the President, to the First Lady, and to the government of Uganda for the confidence and trust placed in us. That trust has been our greatest responsibility and our greatest motivation. Your Excellency, this stadium was designed, constructed, and delivered in just 12 months, a record by international standards. Thank you. Ensuring that no disruption in supply would ever slow progress on site. At peak of construction, more than 2,500 people, internal affairs, and last but certainly not least, the Ministry of Education and Sports. Thank you, Mr. When government agencies work in alignment with a shared national objective, execution becomes decisive and results follow. Hoima City Stadium is a 5-star facility built to international and FIFA-compliant standards, designed to host national and continental competitions, nurture young talent, and serve the community for beyond match days. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a stadium, it's a national asset, a symbol of resilience, and a platform for future champions.